welcome to my channel. I'm Gabrielle, and today I am going to be doing a review on a juicer. Please like and subscribe if this is something that you enjoyed and if you want to see more videos like this. So let's get into this review of the ZUUKOO Juicer.
So upon opening this, I was really impressed with how it was packaged. Everything was really nicely sealed. I am not one to read instructions, so I use the infographic illustration to help me in setting this up, and that was really quick and easy.
Ta-da!
I found a recipe on Pinterest, and obviously you have to wash up before you start prepping what you are going to juice. I used celery that had been frozen, and I was noticing that nothing was coming out that was juice. So we quickly popped that in the microwave just to see if having it in the microwave would allow it to juice. And while I was waiting on that, I started doing the carrots. There was a lot of juice that came from that, which I was pleasantly surprised by. Here's some of the compost that was left over and the juice that was made from the recipe that I was making. You can see very slightly that the front part that is silver was going up and down, and it was making like a slight noise. I noticed that it was clogging, so that's why I tried to remove some of the carrots that were getting jammed in there. Upon tasting the recipe that I tried, it actually tasted pretty good, but for the amount of effort that I was putting into making this, it was not a lot of juice. Here's some leftover compost from all the produce that I used. We actually gave it to our chickens. I wanted to see if our boys would enjoy this, as I do like introducing them to a lot of healthy options, and juicing is definitely one of those things that is healthy in the liquid form to consume your vegetables.
Okay, let's say cheers. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Do your brother.
Good luck, boys.
Take a sip. Slowly. You like it? Is it good?
Declan's face.
Good?
What's
Good
this?
stuff. It's juice. It's vegetables in a juice liquid form. You like it? There's apple and pears in it. Do you like it?
Cheers, Mommy.
Okay, cheers.
Mommy.
Okay, cheers.
3.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
Mama,
We got little mustaches. Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers.
Okay, don't spill it. Oops.
If you've been following me for a while, then you know that I love repurposing jars, and I was able to put the leftovers in a peanut butter jar. I was pleasantly surprised how easy it was to disassemble everything and to wash up the items. First, I rinsed everything off just to make sure that all the clumpy items were removed from the plastic container, and I didn't want the brush to be full of that content. I like that this brush came with like a pokey side to poke out anything that might be stuck, but overall this was extremely easy to clean. And afterwards, I just wash this with some soap. In the spray bottle, I have dish soap, and I just use my brush scrubby. I really thought it was easy to clean up. It also comes with a recipe book.
On a 5-star scale, I'm going to rate this a 3.5 stars. So here are my reasons why. I have 3 cons. The first one is when I opened the package, one of the cups was cracked on the bottom. Also, when testing this out and using some of our frozen fruit, the machine didn't take it very well, so you can't use frozen items. The third one is when I was using the juicer, the front part where the compost falls out popped off during juicing, and that was because the frozen items. Now that I have shared some negatives, let's go on to the positives. So it was super easy to set up, which I'm not one to read instructions, so having the infographics, easy to set up. The second one is the juice was actually all liquid. With having the 2 cups, I was a little skeptical that it wouldn't perform the way it was supposed to, and the drinks tasted very good. And third is it was easy to clean. As a mommy of 4 and doing housework all the time, I want an easy cleanup with anything, so this was extremely easy to clean. Thank you so much for joining me today, and until the next one, bye y'all. You like it? Is it good?
Declan's
Is it good?
What's
Good
this?
job. It's juice. It's vegetables in a juice liquid form. You like it? There's apple and pear.